to show you how you can use the Digital Faith Campaign feature to accept payments online. And select the Campaign tool. We see we've got a number of campaigns in here, including the sample campaign, where we're trying to raise $5,000. People can click on the Donate button. They can sign in, and I'll just go ahead and do that real quick, and make a pledge and determine whether they want that public or anonymous and make their pledge. They can then determine how much of that pledge they'd like to contribute at this time or at another time, and go ahead and click the Contribute button. That will bring up an Amazon payment button that allows people to instantly pay with their Amazon account. Just clicking on the button, logging into their account, will complete the payment process. Let's take a look at how we do that. Here we see our sample campaign, and in that sample campaign I'll click the Edit button, and when you create your campaign, at first you'll want to set a start date for your campaign and an end date. These are the dates that your campaign will be visible on your website, and whether or not you want that campaign to be public at this time. So I'll go ahead and click Update the Campaign. Once the campaign has been created, you'll need to create a goal for your campaign. Now you can have financial goals, goals of collecting items, perhaps for a Secret Santa program or someone else in need, or you can accept service goals. Maybe you want to try to get volunteers for Sunday school classes or for a mission trip. Let's go ahead and take a look at this goal. We'll click on Edit the Goal, and we can determine whether it's featured, what we should call it, the goal amount, and a description if we want to include one. You can have multiple goals. So you might have 2 or 3 financial goals, 2 or 3 item goals, or a number of service goals. You can mix and match these to your heart's content. Each campaign can have many different goals underneath it, and you can have multiple campaigns running on your site at any time. Each month you'll receive a report that details the transactions on your campaign and your net payment of 95% of the amounts collected. You can always navigate back to your campaign in the Management tool to find out where you stand on your pledges and record a collection. Perhaps you receive a check in the mail or in the offertory or a cash payment, or maybe you need to adjust a pledge. Perhaps someone needed to make an adjustment to the pledge that they've made.